Adding pellets mid-cook in your Ninja Woodfire oven? If your smoke runs out during a long cook, you can refill the smoke box, but there's a safe way to do it. Here's how to add pellets without risking flare-ups or wasted fuel. Step 1. Wait until about half the pellets have burned. Don't refill too early. If you add fresh pellets while the box is still full, you'll smother the flame or trigger flare-ups. Wait until about half the load has burned before topping up. Step 2. Use the scoop only. Never pour pellets straight from a bag or by hand. Always measure with the scoop to avoid overfilling. A level scoop is the exact amount the oven is designed to burn at once. Step 3. Refill. Safely and close the lid. Open the smoke box, pour in 1 scoop, and close it immediately. Pellets may still be burning. Keep your distance and always use protection when handling the smoke box. Step 4. Reignite pellets correctly for the smoker function. Press and hold the Woodfire flavor button for 3 seconds to start the ignition cycle again. This burns the new pellets cleanly instead of leaving them smoldering. Step 5. Store pellets dry and don't over-refill. Moist pellets don't ignite properly and can cause excess smoke or flare-ups. Keep yours in a sealed, weatherproof pellet container. I've linked the one I use below. If this helped you add pellets mid-cook without flare-ups, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a pellet storage container, I've linked the one I use below. It's the easiest way to keep your pellets dry and ready to burn. Thanks for watching, and feed the fire safely.